friends, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you had a happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the front porch and I'm also going to be decorating. So I have a bucket with some warm soapy water. I put a little dish detergent, some bleach, and I'm going to use some Ajax to clean the porch. Once the porch is dry, I will be decorating the porch. So watch the video to the end so you can see how everything turned out. And I just want y'all to know that I really appreciate y'all so much. I'm really trying to get this content out, but it's kind of hard because the weather is so up and down. As you can see, it's cloudy outside right now. I hope that it doesn't rain today, but we are going to just keep on moving and hopefully I can get this finished. Now, do you guys see those pots, those planters? I'm going to spray paint those planters, but I'm not quite sure about the color yet. But I'm leaning towards red, but I'm not quite sure if that's what I'm going to do. But I think it's going to be red. So I'm not going to do that. You won't see that in this video today. Maybe not. I'm not sure, but keep watching.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek, or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That was
Yeah, so I did all of that and I realized that something was off. So you'll see in the next clip I fixed it. If you didn't know, I DIY'd this welcome mat. I have a video up on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to see how I made it. This is going to be it for now. I didn't get to decorate today, but I brought my plan out because I didn't want the porch to look so bare. It's going to be a part 2. I have some landscaping to do. I'm going to add some colorful plants, some rocks, and some mulch. So if you want to see how everything turns out, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when I post a video. Y'all do me a favor, drop down in the comments and leave your thoughts and ideas. I would really appreciate it so much. I really want to know what y'all think. Alright y'all, thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye y'all.
so you went away.